Yo, what up, everyone? I'm here with my boy DeVar right here. That's my other boy right here, Joey. So the thing is he's gonna pepper spray me, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch a fish that way. The deal is I cannot wash my face until I catch a fish. So that is the way I want to do it, but doesn't mean it's gonna work out. So right now, I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Like this video if you think it's awesome, and comment and share this video. Let everybody see that I'm a stupid guy. Because I've been nervous all day today. All day I've been having f***ing diarrhea. Welcome to FishTube. Devil's gonna put his in my face. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God. Oh, that burns. Oh. Oh. Oh, you got me in the mouth. Sorry.
I think we should have did a one pause. Huh?
Oh. Am I good in the lure?
No, sir. It's wrapped around the tip.
Get my...
You want me to straighten you out?
Get my other lure. My rod. Ah! Come on, fish. Mine over matter. Am I in the water?
Yes, sir.
You're 2 foot off the bank now.
Oh man, this lethal, bro.
All right, focus.
Oh.
Feel for the weight.
Is that you?
No, sir.
I fell. Right. That was grass. My lure good?
Yes, sir.
Golly. Oh. You guys getting like good frames on my
Yes.
face? Absolutely. You guys don't try this shit at home. Don't do drugs.
Oh, yeah. That's expected.
Wash up a little bit, bro. I can't see.
I don't think you're supposed to when you're maced.
I can't walk though.
Just think about your surroundings. You know that behind your heels, if you step back, you're at the grass edge. If you step 2 feet forward, you're at the water. So you got about 4 feet forward and 2 feet back.
Ah, that burns, bro. This is a bad idea, bro. Oh, the sun is beaming.
No, take forward. All right, water's right there.
See my eyes, cuz.
Yep, that's what mace does. Oh.
Dude, I'm gonna have to wash up a little bit.
All right.
Let me wash up a little bit, cuz.
All right, he's back at it. I guess the amount that he was sprayed. Some of it caught him across the inside of his mouth. But gonna see what he can get.
Dude, it feels like my ears are like just like a lighter right now, just burning my face. I'm dying for that owl right now. Come on, Bass. You guys can. Oh yeah! Get up here! Get up here! You feel me?
Sir.
Being blinded by mace.
I thought I was recording the whole time.
I got it on here.
You got the whole thing?
Yeah.
Good. This is fishing or pepper spray while fishing. You got me? You got a
Yes,
good
sir.
You got a good thumbnail?
Yes, sir.
Now, thank you. I owe you like my life. So you got the whole thing,
Yes, sir.
like
Yeah.
hook set and everything?
Yep.
Oh. I can't breathe.